The office landscape in Birmingham, a city celebrated for its vibrant mix of history and modernity, is undergoing a significant transformation. At the heart of this evolution is a renewed focus on window design, which not only enhances aesthetics but also improves functionality and sustainability. As businesses strive to create inspiring, energy-efficient, and flexible workspaces, commercial window installations have become a key component in achieving these goals. Let's explore the latest design trends in commercial window installations that are shaping Birmingham's office spaces. Energy efficiency. Sustainability at the core. With Birmingham's growing commitment to sustainability, energy-efficient windows are leading the charge in modern office design. Double and triple glazed windows, along with low emissivity, low E glass, are now standard in many commercial projects. These materials minimize heat loss during winter and reduce heat gain in summer, significantly lowering energy consumption for heating and cooling. Smart windows equipped with electrochromic glass are another innovative addition. These windows can adjust their tint based on sunlight intensity, providing optimal lighting while reducing the reliance on artificial lighting. Such installations not only support Birmingham's green initiatives but also reduce long-term operational costs for businesses. Maximizing natural light. The trend toward biophilic design, which emphasizes the integration of natural elements into indoor environments, has made maximizing natural light a priority in Birmingham offices. Large floor-to-ceiling windows, glass curtain walls, and open-concept layouts are now popular choices. These designs foster a connection between employees and the outdoors, enhancing well-being and productivity. Incorporating natural light isn't just about aesthetics. Studies have shown that workplaces with ample sunlight experience higher employee satisfaction and improved health outcomes. Birmingham's office developers are responding to this demand with innovative window placements and designs that flood spaces with daylight while maintaining thermal comfort. Acoustic performance. Quiet workspaces in a busy city. Birmingham is a bustling hub of business activity, and noise pollution can pose challenges for offices located in the city center. Acoustic-rated windows have become a critical component of commercial window design, particularly in high-traffic areas. Modern acoustic glazing technologies can significantly reduce external noise, creating a quieter and more focused work environment. These windows are particularly beneficial for businesses in Birmingham's iconic business districts, where the balance between connectivity and tranquility is crucial. Frameless and minimalist design. Minimalist design trends have influenced window styles, with frameless glass panels and sleek aluminum frames gaining popularity. These contemporary designs create a clean, modern look that aligns with Birmingham's reputation for innovation and forward-thinking architecture. Frameless windows offer unobstructed views and a sense of openness, making office spaces feel larger and more inviting. Paired with slim profile frames, they deliver both aesthetic appeal and structural integrity, meeting the needs of modern Birmingham businesses. Dynamic facades and customization. Dynamic and interactive facades are redefining Birmingham's office skyline. Windows are now being designed to integrate with architectural elements like vertical gardens, automated shading systems, and LED displays. Customization is another growing trend. Businesses are opting for window designs that reflect their brand identity, whether it's through unique shapes, etched logos, or custom tinted glass. This approach not only enhances the building's external appearance but also strengthens the company's image and presence in the city. Smart window technologies. The advent of smart technologies has brought automation and connectivity to the forefront of window design. Smart glass can automatically adjust transparency levels, while integrated sensors monitor and control indoor climate, lighting, and energy usage. Such innovations align with Birmingham's push towards smart building solutions. These features not only make office spaces more comfortable but also position businesses as tech-savvy and environmentally conscious, appealing to forward-thinking clients and employees alike. Sustainably sourced materials. The demand for environmentally friendly materials extends to commercial windows. Aluminum, a recyclable material, is a popular choice for window frames. Some Birmingham projects are also experimenting with wood-aluminum hybrids that combine the warmth of timber with the durability of metal. Moreover, manufacturers are prioritizing eco-friendly production processes, further reducing the carbon footprint of new office developments. Resilience and safety. Safety and durability remain paramount in commercial window installations. Birmingham's unpredictable weather and urban environment necessitate windows that can withstand wind loads, temperature fluctuations, and even potential security risks. Tempered and laminated safety glass is becoming standard in many offices. These materials offer superior strength and can protect occupants from accidents or break-ins, ensuring peace of mind for building owners and tenants alike. Conclusion. As Birmingham continues to thrive as a business hub, commercial window installation trends reflect the city's blend of tradition and innovation. From energy-efficient designs and acoustic glazing to smart technologies and minimalist aesthetics, today's window solutions are tailored to meet the evolving needs of modern offices. By adopting these trends, Birmingham businesses can create workspaces that are not only visually striking but also functional, sustainable, and employee-centric. Whether you're planning a new office or upgrading an existing one, staying ahead of these window design trends will ensure your space remains a beacon of innovation and productivity in the heart of the city.